Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, we use Microsoft Word with Office Shapes to create art. In this video, I'm going to create an aquarium. I'm going to go into Insert, Shapes, and we're just going to look for a shape that would make a good aquarium. This one looks good. Let me give it some fill. Shape outline. I'll take out. Change this to fixed so it's easier to move. Go into Format Shape, middle icon. Okay, 3D format, choose the second one. I'm just going to change this to 7. This one to 7. These I'll leave at 0. This one I'll make gray. And I'm going to move that to make it 86. This one will be 0. Material, take the translucent, the last one. The lighting, leave it at the first one. Give it a 10%. Now we're going to go here into rotation. And we're just going to rotate this. Just wait. Like that. Now if I just go into depth and see if I can make this lighter. Fill. Now we're going to need some water. I think the best thing is to copy this. Copy. Paste. And then we just go take out the depth. Make it 0. And take out the bevel. Okay. Change the fill. Shape fill. Try this one for now. I'm going to go shape effects, soft edges. Make it softer. Not too much. Let's try that one. Okay. Put that over top. It's a little bit too much water, so we're going to go to shape fill, gradient. And we'll just choose one. And then once we go here, if we choose, I think this top one, make that white like that. Bring it out more. Make it darker if possible. Revisit the soft edges here. Take that. Bring the water up a little bit here. Bring it in here. And I think for this shape, I'm going to take out the outline. There is one. Okay. Let's see what we can do with this angle. If that does anything. I think I'll leave it like that. Give it a glass look. Now up here, I'm going to right click, edit points. I'm going to add a point here, add a point here, and see if we can add a little bit of depth to make it look like there's an opening. I'll leave it like that. I'm just going to go here. Going to add a shadow, additional shadow. Shadow, transparency, just so there's just a little bit. Now we're going to make a fish shape. Shape fill gradient, like that. Insert shape. Going to be a fin. Shape fill gradient. Effect, soft edges. Insert shapes. Get this one. Turn it this way. Turn it this way. Edit points. Shape effects, soft edges. Give it some gradient. That. Take this one, copy it. That. Bevel. Okay. Put that here. Like that. This will be send backwards. This is too light. Okay, this fish is too big. I'm gonna make him smaller. And maybe if we can, give it some brightness. gonna have two of them. Put this back over. Smaller. I think I would add, insert, shape, line. Just a thin line. A little bit higher. Or lower. Just a line through there. Shape outline, weight. Very thin. Like that. Just to show the water. Just see one more thing. Insert, shapes. Take a square shape. Shape fill. Texture. Some sand. Make it thinner. On the scale. Mirror. Horizontal. Doesn't matter. Both. Doesn't matter. I don't think it matters. And then here, and bring forward. Bring to front. Shape outline, no outline. Edit points. Just move it like that. Soft edges. I just want to add that I added a bevel to the water. I just clicked on the water. Then I went shape format, shape effects, bevel, and just picked a bevel, as you can see. And then what I did once I picked the bevel is I went right click, because the top will be straight. I went on the water and right click, edit points, and then I just added a point, made them smooth, and then I just curved them along the shape of the aquarium to give it that nice front edge. All right, thanks for watching.